iOS and Android are the most popular mobile operating systems available, and they both have their strengths and weaknesses. But why should you buy an iPhone rather than an Android phone? Well, in this video, I will explain why. The first thing to mention about iOS is how fast and smooth the experience is. Performance is something that iOS is known for. The iPhone 15 Pro Max is currently the most powerful smartphone that Apple makes. With only 8 gigs of RAM, it might not seem powerful. However, Apple is able to squeeze as much power from their chips as possible without affecting battery life. Every app you use is power managed at every stage to provide you the best user experience possible. The second reason is simplicity. For those who have never used iPhones, you might assume iOS is a dumbed down software for dumb people. And while there's an element of truth to that, I don't say this as bluntly. Most people want a stripped down phone that is easy to use straight out of the box with as less frustration as possible. One where they can turn it on, log into their iCloud account and get on with their day. The reason that iPhone doesn't offer limitless customization is because this is not the reason people buy iPhones to begin with. They don't want to faff about with custom skins, bootloaders or bloatware. They just want to unbox, log in and go. Thirdly, timed updates. This is something that iOS does a lot better than Android. If your iPhone qualifies for the latest update, it will get it as soon as possible. This is a much complicated process on Android. Every update requires intervention from manufacturers, which makes updates come a lot slower. Software updates come directly from Apple, making the adoption and process faster. And you can choose when to update or not. Fourth, the ecosystem. If you own one Apple product and you buy another, you'll realise just how easy they work together. If you started a document on one, you can't continue with another. Every Apple device is integrated with iCloud, iMessage, FaceTime and other in-house services to bring you a walled garden unlike any other, just as long as you're connected with the same Apple ID, Wi-Fi network and Bluetooth. Last but not least, security. Apple takes a completely different approach than other companies. They protect your privacy and data through various means and methods. Other companies such as Google and Facebook are known for sucking up and selling as much of your data as possible. Apple's reasoning behind its stance is that they are doing right by its users. If they can offer something the competition can't, then they will sell more hardware. In return, their users will praise them and promote their products online. So those are just some of the reasons why iOS is better than Android. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video.